Hello future medicos, welcome to our channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and this is Dr. Radha Subramaniam with you. Today we are going to just go in detail with the previous year NEET 2021 questions which we have solved for you, and you should be practicing lots of questions from previous year's NEET question papers, and I will be trying to upload maximum number of questions before your exams. So come on, shall we start together with the first question? I have chosen the question in random and I will be including questions from different years NEET chemistry question paper. Today we will start with NEET UG 2021 question paper. So the first question which I have selected is that which one among the following is the correct option for right relationship between Cp and Cv for 1 mole of ideal gas. So they are asking about the right relationship between Cp and Cv for 1 mole of ideal gas. So what are the options? Cp minus Cv is equal to R, Cp is equal to RCv, Cv is equal to RCp, Cv plus Cp is equal to R. So you all know that at constant volume then Qv is equal to Cv delta T, which is equal to delta U. Okay, then at constant pressure Qp is equal to Cp delta T, which is equal to delta H, and for a mole of ideal gas the equation is delta H is equal to delta U plus delta Pv. Okay, and you know that delta H is equal to delta U plus Pv is equal to RT. There is one relation like that, just substitute with it, then you get it like delta H is equal to delta U plus R C delta T, because temperature varies. So we will take this as delta T. Okay, so now we can write this as Cp delta T is equal to Cu delta T plus R delta T. Okay, just we are rearranging, because you see delta U we have taken it as Cv delta T, that is what we are substituting here, and delta H we took it as Cp delta T. Okay, so instead of delta H is equal to delta U, we are substituting these values over here. Then delta T is common in all cases, so cancel that out. Then you will get Cp is equal to Cv plus R. Then you bring the Cv to the left side, you will get Cp minus Cv is equal to R. So option 1 is the correct choice. So hope you understood this concept. You have to remember these formulas only, then you will be able to substitute for delta H and all that. Otherwise just remember the relation between Cv and Cp for 1 mole of ideal gases, Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Done. Okay, now moving on to the second question. This is a small sum, okay, for the empirical formula. Like we will read the question. An organic compound contains 78% by weight of carbon and remaining percent hydrogen, and the right option for the empirical formula of this compound is, they have given the atomic weight of carbon as 12 and hydrogen as 1. We have got 4 options: CH2, CH3, CH4 and CH. So for such sums, what have you got to do first? Then we will take the elements present in the compound. Which are the elements? Carbon and hydrogen. Okay, now the mass is given. For carbon how much is it? 78%. Okay, and for hydrogen it is 22%. Now from this what can you find out? The number of moles. Okay, so weight divided by molecular weight. So here 78 divided by atomic mass of carbon is, it's given in the question. See, direct substitution, 78 divided by 12, you get around 6.5. Okay, for hydrogen it is 22, and 22 divided by, see, it is given atomic weight of hydrogen is 1, that is 22 itself. Then what have you got to do? Once you divide, you compare these two values and choose the lesser one, the smaller of these two values, which is small, 6.5. Now divide these two numbers with 6.5. So 6.5 divided by 6.5 and 22 divided by 6.5. So why you have to make this fraction as a whole number only, then you can find out the ratio. Okay, so 6.5 by 6.5 is 1, and 22 by 6.5 when you divide you get approximately like 3.38. So you can round it off and take it as 3. So we get the value as 1:3 ratio. So how many carbon atoms? C. How many hydrogen atoms? 3. So what is the formula, empirical formula? It is CH3. Clear? Understood? So, option number 2 is the correct answer. See how easily you can, if you can do these two sums, these two questions, straight away 8 marks have come to you, right? Okay, now we will do the next question. This is also very easy, and if you know the concept clearly, you will be able to do this well. See, zirconium, that is at mass is 40, and here HF, that is Z72, they have similar atomic and ionic radii. Because why do they have similar ionic and atomic radii? That is a question. So, the options are diagonal relationship, Anthenoid contraction, then heating, they have similar chemical properties. Then the fourth choice is belonging to the same group. So, you will get confused on which choice. Some students will write diagonal relationship, some write belonging to the same group, but the correct option is Anthenoid contraction. See, what is Anthenoid contraction? It causes the radii of the members of third transition series, they to be behaved very similar to that of the corresponding members of the second transition series. So, you can see the members of the third series and the second series. So, because of the Anthenoid contraction, the radii of these two transition series will behave very similarly, because now they have the almost identical radii. For ZR it will be 160 pm, and for HF it is 159. See, almost it is similar because of Anthenoid contraction. See, such type of question is very important for the NEET point of view. Mostly from Anthenoid contraction some question will come for your exam. Okay, next question. Which of the following reaction is the metal displacement reaction? Choose the correct option. Okay, so metal displacement reaction example they are asking. So, you are having 4 choices. Cr2O3 plus 2Al gives Al2O3 plus 2Cr, Fe plus 2HCl gives FeCl2 plus H2, 2PbNO3 twice gives 2PbO plus NO2 plus O2, then 2KClO3 on heating. See, what does this triangle indicate? It shows that heating is taking place. 2KCl plus 3O2. Okay, now see, in this option 3 and 4, they are the examples of decomposition reaction. What is a decomposition reaction? You might have learned that in 10th standard, class 10. See, from a single compound it breaks down to 2 or more simpler products. Okay. So, 3 and 4 are decomposition reactions, and 1 and 2 are examples of displacement reaction. Okay. So, displacement reaction means here chromium will go out and aluminum will combine with oxygen. Such types of reactions are called displacement reaction, displacing. So, here iron and chlorine, iron will accept chlorine and H will move out, hydrogen will go out. So, the first reaction is the example of metal displacement reaction. Remember that the chromium and aluminum. Okay. So, these are metals, and the first option is the correct answer. Hope this is clear to you, and you are finding our sessions really interesting, and I am very happy, extremely happy, and I am thanking you all from the bottom of my heart that many of you are subscribing to my channel and visiting my channel daily, and thanks a lot for your support, and so far you have been giving me enormous support, which is my strength, I should say. And please do subscribe, like and share my channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and I will be uploading more such useful sessions to you without wasting our time, because we have got only a few more days for your exam. So, I hope all your dreams come true, and you all try your level best to get your dream seat for MBBS. And with that we are coming to an end of this session. Thanks for watching the video.